Hello, my name is Mick Von Felt, and I constructed a plane for my 4-H project that was selected to go to the state fair. I'm going to explain the electronics of my plane. Here, on the underside of the plane, I have my battery that I've charged. To get the battery's energy to the rest of the plane, I have to plug it in so it's fully connected. From there, the energy travels to this energy receptor, and that gives power to the motor and to the ailerons. But those ailerons need to know what to do, so they're connected to this receiver, which from there tells the ailerons what to do through this antenna that's been hooked up by computer to my remote control. Now I'm going to demonstrate how the plane works. So I've plugged it in and the plane beeped. So my right joystick controls the ailerons to tell the plane up, down, left, and right. And from there, my left joystick controls the power of the plane. But it's been plugged in and it's still not moving. There's a safety for this radio that turns on when I flick it, the motor. This is the lowest power, and from there, the plane has to have a powerful motor to get it up into the air. These are the electronics of my plane. Thank you for watching.
Up. Good one, Mick.